Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are reacting to Mitski, Washing Machine Heart. I just discovered Mitski for the first time ever the other day with the song Where's My Phone. Music video was crazy. It was absolutely bonkers, but I did like her voice. I did like what the music video tried to do. It kept my attention. I'll leave it at that. But I wanted to check out Mitski's #1 song. This was released years ago, but I wanted to check out and see, like what made Mitski so big. So let's check it out. Washing Machine Heart. It's kind of giving me like a boom boom. We Will Rock You song. That's kind of giving me that vibes. Okay, I don't know what washing machine heart means, but I have a feeling, if I can put my brain together, that homeboy is throwing all his dirty laundry on her, metaphorically speaking, and it's affecting her heart. And it's banging her up inside, not in a good way. I'm all for a good metaphor. Oh. Oh. Girl, why are you rubbing your lips like that? Okay, I will say, compared to the other song, I do like Mitski's voice a little better in this one. I think I was too distracted in the last song with the music video to really take it in. I love the vocals so far. Oh. This feels very sexual. The metaphors going on here. Oh! Okay, she put her fingers in his mouth. I don't know how I feel about that. No, I actually do know how I feel about it. I kind of hate it. I'm a bit of a germaphobe. I hate that. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. Dude, what a short song. But I liked it, dude. The vocals, on point. Music video, again, it was a little funky, a little weird. Not as weird as the Where's My Phone music video. But I definitely see how we got from this point years ago to where we are now. It already had a few hints in there of what was coming. Mitski, very metaphorical in a lot of her lyrics. It seems like doesn't seem like she comes out and says exactly what she's meaning. She's more speaking in a nice like a figurative language kind of way. So I do appreciate that by Mitski. Her music isn't just surface level. It's something you got to dig a little deeper into. Washing Machine Heart. Overall, a good song. I enjoyed it. I would like to listen to this at a nighttime drive if I'm emotional. I feel like that would really get me into the nice headspace for this. Right now, I'm too happy for Washing Machine Heart. But overall, Mitski, I did like it. Yo, if you're a Mitski fan, let me know if there's specific songs you think I should react to. I'm excited to see what she comes out with soon because people in the comments were telling me she's coming out with more. And I'll be here for it. So, Mitski, you've captured my attention. You've captured my Washing Machine Heart. Don't lose it. Don't bang it up too hard. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I keep saying washing because of Washing Machine Heart. Let me know if I missed any important details in the song, anything important for the storyline, because I did get distracted by the fingers in the mouth. So I will say, I keep getting distracted by her visuals. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and deuces!